Hi guys, it's Tyjeri with Mightysew Crafts and Designs, and today I will be working on 3 whips and cutting out one pattern. So I will be adding the band to the top, Know Me 2013, and a waistband and some leg bands to Know Me 2048. Also, I will be working on Simplicity 9554. If you know me, I am not a wovens girly, so I am trying to get into the wovens. And yeah, so you guys stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because I will be going live this month over here on YouTube. So 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I will be going live every Thursday on YouTube. So stay tuned. The first work in progress item that I'm working on is a top from Simplicity 9554. So most people know that I don't do wovens. I am a knit girly and I do want to start doing wovens. So right here, this shirt is just me testing the fit, putting on buttonholes and adding buttons with my sewing machine. Okay, and since you guys are just watching a video, I just want to just ramble. So, yeah, I just want to talk about never giving up because there are a lot of things in life that we all go through, and sometimes things seem too hard to bear. But at the end of the day, there is always light at the end of the tunnel. You can't give up on especially give up on things that you enjoy doing. And I say that because as a child, I enjoyed wearing mismatched colors. I enjoyed wearing mismatched prints, mismatched fabrics. I didn't know anything about, fashion as a child. And everyone used to laugh about it. But everything that I did as a child came full circle as an adult. I started sketching clothes when I had my son so I had to pull out the seam ripper because I didn't have both sides of the sleeve in there, but I got it together. Okay, back to the topic. I was like, I didn't want so many the clothes that they were selling in the stores were more girly clothes than they were boyish. And I had a style that I wanted my son to wear. So I started sketching and because I'm into sweats and everything. And I just love sweats. So yes, I wanted my son to be, have all the sweats and I wanted to make him a brand. But this is before I even learned how to sew. So when I finally learned how to sew, I started making him things. And I was like, oh, I forgot all about the ideal of making him clothes because it was years before I even started sewing. And the more I started to sew, I started to remake things that I used to wear as a kid. Like there is an outfit that I wore, which is stripes and polka dots. I love stripes and polka dots. So I recreated that. There's not a velvet, but a corduroy jacket that I recreated when I first started sewing. I do have a video about that one. It turned out good for me not knowing how to properly put a jacket together. So I am also going to be remaking that. I know you lying. Okay, so if you have gotten this far, then no, you're not lying. I was still recording. I thought that it wasn't recording anymore. So now I do want to do a lot more recreating the ideals that I had before. So I am going to do a lot of recreating on the videos that I've made already. I do have 13 videos so far that I do want to recreate. So that's something to look forward to from me. So back to the topic, never giving up. Never allow someone to steal your dream just because they haven't finished theirs or even started theirs. Never allow someone to take your dream from you. I never imagined myself being a sewist. I didn't like sewing as a child. My grandmother tried to teach us. She used to make me clothes for church all the time, and I loved it. No one had an outfit like me. Easter Sunday, no one was outshining me because my grandma made my dress. No matter how plain that dress was plain. The dresses she used to make was always plain, but she made them with her own hands. She didn't take me to the store and, she didn't buy me anything. She made me dress. Yes, the dresses was plain. But see, I had the original. I had the skirt with the jacket. Basically, I was somebody's auntie like at 9. And that was perfectly fine for me because no one else had what I had. And I was into stuff like that. I'm still into stuff like that. So that I have to get back into what I used to be into that I'm still into and start creating it because I can make whatever I want. I can. Y'all, I stayed looking for something this whole video. I don't remember which tool I was looking for, but I might end up showing you coming up here soon. Here it is. This is what I was looking for. It's a magnet. It's a hemming tool. It's a magnet. You can put it on there. Make sure your garments does not move around while you're hemming your items. So yeah, this is what I was looking for. What are some things that you've had a dream about doing and you never started or never finished, and why? Put that in the comment. If you made it this far, put that in the comment. What is a dream that you've had that you started but never finished or never started? I want to know, because there are so many things that I've started and never finished, but it's never been a dream of mine, but it's something that I enjoyed. So yeah, put that in the comments. What is your dreams that you've stopped and why? Or you never started? Why? Y'all, I'm adding on the buttons. I love the fact that I don't have to use I don't have to stitch the buttons on by hand. I just love that. So yeah, this was something that just made making buttonholes and adding buttons onto a garment so much easier. Something else I wanted to do as a child is be a motivational speaker. I've always wanted to be a motivational speaker, and still to this day I want to be a motivational speaker. And that is why I started my I Am collection. If you go to my website, you will see I have shirts and pillows, also tote bags that have the I Am affirmations on there. And it's just I want people to heal. I want people to learn to accept love so that we can live in a better place. Because love heals all wounds, and that is real talk. Love heals all wounds, and if you don't know how to love yourself, you won't know how to love no one else. So that is my goal. Like, and even as a child, like, I have stories galore that I can tell, like, about why I feel like love should, people should heal so they can love. So I have a lot to talk about. And I've had a few people who actually wanted to hear what I had to say. Some of them said they were just wanting to be nosy to see why I say what I say. But for the most part, a lot of people love to hear what I have to say. I am very wise when I am serious. And I don't like to be serious all the time because life, I mean, yes, there is serious moments, but I just enjoy being more of a goofy person throughout the day, and it just makes me feel better. But sometimes you do have to take life serious and to get things across to other people. Even my goofy style, it still gets across. Like, I have so much that I can say, y'all. But I will save that talk for another day. So yeah, y'all check out my website. Get you some merch from me. The I Am collection, the affirmation collection. I do have some other things in the making. Also, yeah, that is a dream of mine to not have to work for no one else. So that's another thing. I do not want to work for no one else. So yes, guys, support my business. Let me know what you want to see so that I can, appease my audience and, not only give people what they want to see, but also, not give people what I want to see, but also what people want to see. This is a partnership. But anywho, thank you guys so much for listening. I'm done rambling. You guys finish watching the video, and I appreciate you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And always remember that small steps is still progress. Oh, I forgot. This is the time lapse of the pattern that I am making Thursday at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on YouTube. It is Simplicity 9636.